Hi guys, welcome back to Highland Homemade Crafts. I got these a little while ago and I've been wanting to do them for, well, about a week. But I've had other things to do. So we're going to give them a go today. I will be doing both, but I'm quite partial to this one. What they are is they're key holders. So you basically hang them up on your wall and they'll you can hook your keys onto them. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I do still need to get them out of the packaging, and I'm going to probably do this in fast cure, but I'm not sure yet. I might do it in all purpose, I've not decided, but yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And the colours I'm going to be using are going to probably be purples, because these are going to be used for this house, and we haven't decorated the hallway yet or anything like that, but we are thinking about doing it in like a purpley colour. I really like light lilac or something like that. That's what we're going to be doing today. So if you just give me a minute, I'll get these out of the packaging and I'll mix up my resin and we'll get started. I'll see you in a minute, guys. Okay, so I did go with the all-purpose in the end, just because I don't have a lot of fast cure left, so I went for all-purpose, and I decided I was going to do a lilac-y mica powder with a bit of purple alcohol ink with some silver flaking. Now, these were pretty, don't get me wrong, the way they turned out, they were pretty, but they didn't quite turn out the way I wanted them to. So I will probably be doing these again in my own time. I probably won't be filming them again because I'm just a bit worried about repeating myself on my videos and I don't want to bore you guys. So I'm just spreading these around here, there and everywhere. I just wanted, I've seen a lot of jewellery that's like this. It's got a bit of mica powder in it and just got a hint of, well, they use clear resin, sometimes they put alcohol ink in, but I've never seen it done in this sort of way, so I wanted to try it and see if it would work. And it did to an extent, but the mica powder kind of took over. So I think next time I'm going to do more of either the alcohol ink or clear resin with the silver flakes in than the mica powder, because hopefully then it won't take over. Now, I did a big boo-boo here. I put the resin in the wrong part of the mould, as you do. But in my defence, I was not feeling well this particular day. My son had caught a cold from school and it just spread like wildfire around the family. So yeah, I wasn't particularly feeling my best this particular day, but like I said, it didn't turn out too badly. Now, the keys and the hearts, I did do a lot darker purple, and those actually did come out the way I wanted them to, and they were beautiful. So those I would definitely do again in the same. I used a purple glittery alcohol ink, and it just turned out really, really nice. But like I said, it's not quite the way I wanted it to be, so I will be doing this again, I reckon, just to get it, to see if I can get it the way I want it. But yeah, this was a really easy pour, guys. I mean, I think even beginners could do this. All I'm doing is basically chucking a load of colours in different cups of resin and just mixing them up and pouring them in. It's just throw it all in, pour, as Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner would call it. Throw it all in. But yeah, those hearts, guys, those hearts and keys, oh, that colour. It's like, when I saw it, it reminded me of like purple velvet. It was so nice. It's just, oh. Anyway, I will let you watch the rest of the process. There's not much left of it. I'm just pouring the keys now. And yeah, I'll see you for demold. Hi guys, welcome back. So these are all set up, so they might be a bit bendy because it's not been 24 hours yet. Let me just put my light on, 1 second. Okay, let's see what this looks like. This was a very messy project, guys, I am not gonna lie. Very messy project, but hopefully it comes out pretty nice. So I'm just gonna unmold the bigger bit first and then we'll get to the smaller bits. It's coming out quite easily. Ooh. I did want a bit more contrast between the mica powder and the clear bit with the silver flick in it, but that doesn't look too bad. I actually quite like that. And these are the hearts. They fit in quite nicely, nice and snug. And there we go. That's that one demolded. Okay, that one's that. Now, I think these are supposed to be some sort of keychains to go on your keys, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little glue on the top and glue it to these, and somehow, I don't know how yet, but I'm going to put, I don't know what you call them, I'm just going to call them hooks in the holes here so that you can just hang your keys up. So that's that one. I'm going to get this one out now. Sorry about that, guys. Mr. Highland is behind me and we're both not feeling too well today, so after I've done this demolding we are going to have a movie night tonight, so just taking it easy tonight. That is pretty as well, but again, way too much mica powder. So I will probably do these again off camera in the same colours, but this time I'm going to put a bit less mica powder in because that has taken over quite efficiently. And then these ones just go in like so. Now, I did do a mistake in this mould because I'm not feeling well, I didn't realise what bits I was supposed to be pouring and what bits I wasn't supposed to be pouring. So yeah, I got a bit of scrappies there, and that's all of those finished. And I will do probably the same to these as I'm planning to do with the hearts as well. I'm gonna stick these on with some glue or something, and I'm gonna make little pegs. That's the word I was looking for, pegs. So I'm going to put some little pegs in these holes just to make them easy to hook your keys onto. But yeah, these have got too much mica powder in and they didn't quite come out the way I originally wanted. So I will probably do some more. But these, don't get me wrong, are beautiful. They're just not the way I wanted them. So I will be doing more with these, but not off camera, because I don't think you guys want to see me do these again. So yeah, that's the demold. Tell me down in the comments, do you like these? I mean, do you want me to do more of them? Do you want me to do different colours? Let me know, because I wouldn't mind doing these again. They were really easy to do, and you know, they're even pretty much beginner friendly. Almost, except for the fact you get confused with the moulds a little bit. So yeah, let me know. I just want to say as well, thank you to all my subscribers for supporting my channel, and all the views, all of the likes, all of the comments, everything that you do for my channel. It really does mean a lot to me, and yeah, it helps my channel grow, so I really do appreciate it. I do have buy me a coffee and wish list down in the description. You are not obliged at all to do more for my channel, but if you did want to do more, they are there. Excuse me, I'm sorry guys, I'm struggling to talk at the moment. What was I saying? Right, yeah, you're not obliged to do that at all, but if you did want to do that, they are there. Obviously everything you do send me, it goes back into the channel, so just to help me gather more supplies and, you know, do more beautiful things like this. So honestly, I really do appreciate all the support for this channel. It really does mean a lot to me. If you haven't seen the videos that I've posted this past week, I've got one collaboration coming up at the beginning of December. Anyone can join it, and I hope we're going to have a lot of fun with it. It's a Christmas holiday one, and I love Christmas, so it's really going to be a fun one for me. The other collaboration I want to talk about is the September one, the end of September one. It's on the 20th of September. It is a dragon collaboration, so if you guys like dragons, please don't miss that, because there's going to be a lot of different sorts of dragons in that collaboration. So if you really like dragons, don't miss that collaboration. This is the end of the video now, guys. So thank you very much for tuning in and viewing this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And it's just a simple one. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, because it's only a click away, it is free, and you know, it doesn't cost you anything. It only takes a minute. And the other thing is, if you are viewing on TVs, I do have QR codes throughout the video popping up so that you can just snapshot it and just click subscribe. So it's easy all around. And if you like watching pretty things like this being made, I do try to make pretty things like this most of the time. So yeah, I will next see you on, what day are we on here? Wednesday. So I will see you next on Saturday, and Saturday is the axolotl collaboration, which is really exciting because it's my last I'm hoping, yeah, it's going to be my last axolotl character within that series that I'm doing with the elementals. So yeah, I hope you're going to enjoy that one as well. So that one's coming on Saturday, and I'm going to get 2 videos done as soon as possible this week for next week's videos, because I will be going to Wales then. So yeah, me and my family are going to Wales for a week, so I will get videos out to you as soon as possible for those days that I am in Wales. So enough of my rambling, I will let you go. But yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you on Saturday. Bye guys.